To submit documents to Zelle for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your submission is complete and accurate. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that Zelle requires for account approval. This may include identification, proof of address, and any other relevant financial documents. Step 2. Access your Zelle account. Log into your Zelle account using the app or website. Make sure you have your login credentials handy to access your account securely. Step 3. Navigate to Document Submission section. Once logged in, find the section dedicated to document submission. This is typically located in the account settings or verification area of the platform. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload the gathered documents. Ensure that each document is clear and legible, and check that you are uploading the correct files as specified by Zelle. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading, review your submission to ensure all documents are correct and complete. Finally, submit your documents and wait for a confirmation message from Zelle regarding the status of your account approval. By following these steps, you can successfully submit your documents to Zelle for account approval. Make sure to keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates on your application status.